Hello everyone, this is Mitch, your trusted real estate agent and partner in finding your dream home. Kung ang hanap mo ang property na sulit sa location, amenities at presyo, naku! Perfect ang Minami Residences for you. Pero ano nga ba ang sikreto sa likod ng investment na ito? Abangan nyo yan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa mga latest tips, property tours, at exclusive deals. Tara, sabay-sabay nating alamin kung bakit ang Minami Residences ang next best step for your investment. Ang Minami Residences ay located sa General Trias, Cavite, malapit sa Calax at sa Lancaster, New City. Madali ang access sa mga pangunahing establishment tulad ng SM General Trias, malapit din ito papunta ng Mall of Asia at Metro Manila in less than 1 hour. Sa pa sa location advantages, 7 minutes away to Cavite Laguna Expressway, Open Canal exit, 35 to 45 minutes away from Metro Manila, 30 minutes away from airport, and 30 to 40 minutes from Alabang.
Welcome to Minami Residences here in General Trias, Cavite. Ito po yung actual turnover ng ating Hana unit dito sa Minami Residences. This is a 2-story quadruplex home. So first, let's talk about the actual turnover. Ang lot area nito ay 80 square meters, perfect kung gusto mong mag-expand in the future. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng fence and gate upon turnover. Ang maganda pa dito, may provision na for 2 carport. At mayroon pa itong service area sa likod na pwede nyong ipa-enclose at gawing laundry area or dagdag na storage space. At pwede na rin tayong maglagay dito ng mini garden para sa mga nanay o lola natin na mahilig magtanim. Ang kulay ng bahay, napaka-modern, napaka-classy at napakagaan sa paningin. Tara, silipin natin ang loob. Napaka-functional ng sliding windows at sliding door. Perfect for ventilation at para ma-maximize ang natural light. Mayroon ka na ring space for a lanay area. Perfect ito para sa mga family bonding moments or morning coffee sessions. Napaka-convenient na rin ito sa atin dahil may pre-installed light switches and sockets na rin. Dito po sa first floor, may sarili ng toilet and bath, kasama ang lavatory, fully tiled floor at may shower na. Very functional, di ba? Dito naman po sa kitchen, may kasama ng cabinet for your storage needs. At fully tiled na rin po ang lababo. Very practical, di ba? Ayan, dito naman tayo sa service area. Napaka-spacious po nito, kaya pwede nyong gawin bilang laundry area or even a dirty kitchen. Yung steel door, kasama na yan pati lock set. Tara, akyat tayo. Papakita ko po sa inyo ang second floor. Makikita nyo dito ang 3 bedrooms at may kasama na ring toilet and bath. As you can see, the bedrooms are spacious and designed for comfort. Ang kagandahan po ng mga bedrooms sa second floor, bukod sa mas tahimik, ay may privacy po ito from the main living area sa baba. Dito naman sa second floor, mayroon na rin tayong toilet and bath. Ang maganda dito, it offers you convenience and privacy for your family members upstairs. Isa sa mga gandang features ng Hana model is bawat kwarto may provision for aircon, so you can stay cool during those hot summer days. And the best part, pwede nyong ipa-renovate ang mga rooms. Now, welcome to Minami Residences Hana Model Dress-Up Unit. Why does finding a home feel like such a struggle? Ang dami-daming options, pero walang tumatama sa gusto at pangangailangan natin. Lalo na kung kailangan mag-sacrifice, maliit na space, long commutes, or big loans na hindi kaya. Are you start questioning, is this worth it? At Minami Residences, we understand your needs. That's why this unit is designed with your future in mind. From expandable layouts to modern yet warm design, Hana is more than just a house, it's your dream come true. At syempre, hindi matatapos sa house tour lang ang video na to. Dadalhin ko po kayo kung saan ang Minami Residences ay located near some of the most exciting and promising developments in the area. Unahin na natin ang Calax. Isa ito sa mga major infrastructure projects na nagpapadali ng biyahe dito sa Cavite at Laguna. With Calax, you can easily access Metro Manila and other nearby areas in just a matter of minutes. Kung ikaw ay nagatrabaho sa city o may negosyo, makikinabang ka sa mabilis na biyahe papunta at mula sa Minami Residences. Next up, the soon-to-open SM General Trias, one of the biggest malls and commercial centers in the area. SM General Trias will offer everything you need, from shopping, dining, entertainment, to leisure activities. Just imagine, with SM right next door, you won't have to travel far for everyday essentials or to enjoy a weekend out. This development will also bring more businesses to the area, creating more job opportunities and improving the local economy. For residents of Minami Residences, it's a big win as you get to enjoy the convenience of having a large shopping malls just a few minutes away from your home. It's truly a game changer for the entire community. And don't forget about River Park, an upcoming recreational area that will provide a relaxing environment for everyone. Perfect ito para sa mga pamilya na gustong mag-relax, mag-bonding o mag-enjoy ng outdoor activities. So, with Calax, SM General Trias, and River Park all within reach, it's clear that Minami Residences is at the center of major developments that will enhance your lifestyle. At Minami Residences, you're not just investing in a home. You're investing in a well-rounded, convenient, and nature-inspired lifestyle. If you want to enjoy life close to nature but still near essential establishments, Minami Residences is the smart choice.
Thank you for joining me on this exclusive tour of the Hana unit here at Minami Residences. Kung naghahanap ka ng perfect investment or iyong forever home, dito na ang tamang lugar para sa iyo. Huwag palampasin ang amazing opportunity na magkaroon ng isang magandang, maluwag, at well-located na property. For more details or to schedule a visit, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to guide you through your home ownership journey. See you on my next house tour!